RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has taken on Nitish Kumar for criticizing Narendra Modi. He's questioning his secular credentials. RSS takes on Nitish Kumar and says that if Nitish Kumar wants to keep his own vote bank intact, why doesn't he want a Hindutva Prime Minister? Our correspondent Tavleen Singh is joining us on this breaking news that's just coming in. Tavleen, the rift within the NDA is now out in the open. RSS and JDU taking on separate camps here. Very clearly, even before 2014, the race for the Prime Ministerial candidate, there is a rift within the NDA.
Yes, absolutely. And this was bound to happen in the sense because, remember, because of the Gujarat elections that are due to happen at the end of this year, somewhere or the other, RSS also knows that they cannot afford to, touch or, for that matter, interfere with Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, because he is definitely the poster boy for the party for the elections. And this comes at a time when Nitish Kumar very openly and indirectly hit out at Narendra Modi's prime ministerial aspirations, quote unquote, and with that interview that he gave yesterday, and very clearly he's talking about how a prime ministerial candidate should be a secular candidate. And here we have the RSS chief coming out and hitting out at Nitish Kumar, those secular comments, they asking that, haven't the earlier prime ministers been secular? So obviously there is, the rift within the NDA as far as JDU is concerned. It's not the first time. We've also seen the kind of cracks that are emerging as far as the presidential candidate is concerned. And now RSS itself coming out and backing Narendra Modi is someone on the expected lines, particularly because of what is going to happen at the end of this year, that is the Gujarat elections. And that is why Mohan Bhagwat has come out and said that come out and backed Narendra Modi and hit out at Nitish Kumar's comment that he made that NDA should now select his prime ministerial candidate, and it should be a person who does not have rough edges, or for that matter, she should be someone who is secular.